Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone with hair around mid-back length or so. The stylist places the hair into a ponytail and cuts the hair into this gorgeous shoulder length lob style. Now this one does feature the curtain bangs to frame out the face, really creating a nice modern layered effect within her strands. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have this stylist doing a face framing technique in order to create another beautiful bob style. Wow, this is breathtaking. I love the way that he did the bangs. So chic and modern. And it does have a nice feathered effect going there as well, really creating a nice amount of volume. Very pretty. Heading into the next transformation, she starts off with shoulder length hair. Stylist has those scissors, cuts away. Wow, beautiful asymmetrical pixie cut. Now for this one, she does have longer bangs going there in the front. Hair is longer on one side versus the other, really creating a nice fashion forward pixie style. Then we move on to the next transformation. The stylist cuts off that purple, does some face framing bangs. And it looks like he does a beautiful shaggy bob haircut. Gorgeous. Next up, we have a mommy makeover. Ooh, now that is definitely a sophisticated mommy makeover with the bob. The color looks amazing, beautiful dimension within the cut. Very nice. And we all know as a mom, you might not have enough time for that self-care. So this bob is a great option to give you something a little bit more carefree and fashionable. Next up, we have another face framing hair idea. This is from that stylist that does the perfect measurements for each client. I love his technique. Now her hair has a very nice layered texture to it. Beautiful face framing curtain bangs. So it looks like our next transformation features a nice cut refresh. Oh, wow, as well as a color change. Oh, this is an absolutely stunning pixie bob haircut. So much fullness, and what I love most is definitely that gorgeous red hue. She looks absolutely breathtaking. Next up, we have another hair idea from the perfect stylist who frames out the client's face. Looks like for this one, he's going to be doing more of a layered look. Now this is a great hair idea if you want to add some volume to your hair or just some overall shape. Definitely try out the layered hair trend. You're gonna thank yourself. Next up, that same stylist is back again, cutting more layers this time. I like the natural wave texture of her strands, very pretty. And then we have a gorgeous bob haircut with the next one. So what I like about this stylist is that it doesn't matter what length the client has, he's still able to do very nice measurements that frame their particular face shape. Such an amazing talent and capability, very nice. So we have another layered haircut with the curtain bangs here. followed by a big chop transformation. Wow, the stylist is cutting off a lot of hair with this one. And she ends up getting a nice pixie haircut. Beautiful feathered shape to the strands. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with mid-back length hair. So the stylist cuts off a lot of inches with this one. Ooh, gorgeous shoulder length bob style. She does have the tousled wave going there. Very nice. She has such beautiful hair. So we see someone with very thick mid-back length hair. Wow, he is cutting a lot of her hair off. I think this stylist is having a lot of fun with this transformation, and he ends up doing a very cute curly cropped cut. Oh, this is beautiful. She has such a gorgeous head full of natural wavy curly hair. Really pretty curly pixie bob cropped cut. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope that you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.